front of Bhashani Sweets. I got lucky and I find a foreigner here. She is roaming around. So, what's your feedback about Pakistan, especially Karachi?
Pakistan is a great country. We have been to Lahore, to Islamabad, to Balochistan and Karachi. Karachi is a crazy place. The traffic is crazy, but food and people, especially the people, are amazing. You can walk everywhere. Everyone will ask you for tea. Everyone is friendly. It's very welcome. We'll definitely come back.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for your kind words.
Thank you.
Anything I can get you?
No, you're done. Thank you.
Okay. Would you like to taste gajar ka halwa?
We ate already. We are completely full.
Okay.
Maybe next time, inshallah.
Inshallah. Most welcome. Thank you.
Thank you very much.